Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a short video about applying decals on your scale model kit. This will be sort of tips video. I have I think 5-6 tips for you. And yeah, so let's start with the tip number 1, preparing. So before applying any decals, the things that you need is some warm water where you can dip your decals, some tools like cotton, but also some paper, and of course decals and knife and all the things that you need to applying decals. Maybe some decal fix, Mark Fit. For example, I use Mark Fit Strong, and but that I will tell about a little bit later in the video. Tip number 2: cut out decals, because for example, for this kit Key 61 from Tamiya, there's I think 4 options how you can build your kit, and when you have chosen which one you want to build, I suggest to cut out the decals, which ones you want to apply. For example, here are all the decals, and not all of them you will use. So you just cut out with the scissors or with the knife, because some decals it will be easier with the knife, but this one is quite easy with the scissors. Also, you're wondering why I'm using gloves, but with the gloves, especially when I try to do decals, I use gloves not to apply any fingerprints. Tip number 3: after you have cut out the decals, you just dip them in the warm water, let it soak a bit, and after it have been soaked, you just put them on the paper, let it dry a bit. Also, small extra tip for tip number 3 is when you're applying decals on the surface, I suggest that the surface has to be glossy. So if your kit is matte, then you should apply some gloss varnish or something like that. But for me, for this kit is glossy, so I don't need to apply any gloss or varnish. Also, before you put the decals on the kit, you can use any kind of decal fix things. I use Mark Fit. It's quite strong and it's easy to apply. You can use also some water using some paintbrush. Just dip in the water and apply on the place where you want to add the decals some water. I prefer just some decal fix. I apply on that spot where I will put the decal. So in this small time, decal should be pretty good. You can see it moves a bit. So I put them on the paper just like this, let it soak a bit. Tip number 4: after the decals have dry out a little bit, just a little bit, you should apply on the kit. Some people likes to take off the decals straight off the paper, but I suggest slide it off the paper right on the kit, just like that. And of course, in this exact spot where you need to put them as the instructions told you. When you have it in your exact position where you needs to be, you can add more decal fix water and let it soak a bit, and then with the cotton bud you can take off, remove external water what you don't need, and position it in the position where it should be, just like this in here. And the last tip for you guys, and I think this tip is the most important tip of all, is just be patient. Don't rush any, just apply one decal by one slowly. Try to adjust in the right position as possible, because sometimes some decals are really tricky to apply. So I suggest just go slow and apply like very precise. That it's very important, because the decals give you like the end result of your kit. So that's really important, because as you can see, I'm even struggling with this long decal. With some decals is very hard. So just be patient, and you will be successful. And in the end, guys, I just want to say that try to enjoy applying decals, because for me this part, applying decals, is most fun thing. Then you can finally see how your kit comes together. And yeah, have fun and keep on modeling.